Greetings to Madam. This is Saravana Kumar Madam, who is the participant in new petroleum crude oil distillation process TechX accelerator program. I'm an individual, Madam. I'm a self-employed. I'm not a company. I propose to begin a company by name Fortin Solutions India Private Limited, which is yet to be incorporated. I'm a self-employed. I'm not a company. The understanding of the problem I understood is in petroleum oil industry, crude oil industry, we have petroleum distillation process, which after distillation will arrive at petrol, diesel, kerosene, other products like UPVC, plastics, grease, lubricants, furnace oil, then other polymer products. Now we are clear that due to innovation of e-vehicle, electronic vehicle, other renewable energy like solar, batteries, etc., we have a threat in petroleum oil industry that it may come down with production because of increase in the productivity of production of e-vehicle. Because of this drop in petroleum production, distillation industries may go in for shut, which parallelly affect the output of petrol, diesel, kerosene, parallelly other products like UPVC, plastics, UPVC, plastics, polymers, etc. Presently, I work in building industry. If this trends continuously, if this trends continuously, we'll come across shortfall in UPVC material, which has its in building industry. It has its it has its application at windows, doors. So there'll be a acute shortage of UPVC materials, UPVC corpuscles for manufacturing. Similarly, for plastic industry, plastic molded furnitures, products related to plastics, dependent on plastics, and similarly polymer products like rayon, clothings, everything will have its own impact. To address this, my idea has come out with the concept of converting the petrol, diesel, kerosene into gas. So, moment it is converted into gas, the gas could be supplied for a process industry where steam is generated. Presently, the steam is generated in process industry by means of thermal energy called charcoal and other thermal related raw materials. Now, this gas can be completely supplied for steam industry, steam production parallelly to electricity generation, and the steam is used for process purpose in paper industry, food industry, textile industries. So this is one application of converting the petrol into a gaseous form, diesel into gaseous form, and kerosene into gaseous form. The second application is we have thermal generating power plants where charcoal is used in turbine generator, and turbine generator generates electricity. This steam can be used in place of charcoal, in case of charcoal, thermal, and thermal energy could be gaseous based electricity production. So, but this is the kind of, and the last thing I want to convey is petrol can be easily converted into gaseous form by applying a specific voltage on the surface of the petrol container, surface of the petrol, so that the petrol will be converted into gaseous form or gasoline form, and it can be used for the purpose what we intend and communicated in this video. For kind information of Maria Madam, I'm not an engineer. I'm a BSc Computer Science graduate and MBA Marketing. My qualification BSc Computer Science is 1993 pass out in Kumbakonam, SKS Arts College, and MBA in Annamalai University, Chidambaram, both in Tamil Nadu of India. The purpose of saying my qualification is Google is my tutor for all this knowledge, and then what I gathered, what I presented here. Uh, um, so, so with the knowledge what I gathered, and then what I understood from Google, as Google is my tutor, Google search engine as my tutor, I presented these problems. The problems I came across out only because out of my experience and knowledge in the building industry. As I work in building industry, as I work in UP, I am basically a salesman who sells UPVC windows and doors, and then plastic chairs to marriage halls, churches, some places like this. So when I go there, see there, and sell there, talk to people, understand people, the sales recommend, and all, I come across this problem. This e-vehicle is growing. So, moment the problem comes, what will happen to these products when the petroleum distillation process stops or dips in production? These products will also be have the parallel effects like UPVC, corpuscles, plastics, polymers will also have their reduction in their production capacity. Price will skyrocket, and everything will have a threat. This threat can be overcome the way I presented in this video, madam. For kind information. Thank you. I wait to hear from you, madam. Thank you.